In this lesson, we'll be looking at displaying a data distribution. So the objective is, given a data plot, you, the students, will begin describing the distribution of the points on the dot plot in terms of center and variability. So we will use the scenario of students resting heart rate to display data distribution. So let us look at this example. The first example here, it has Maya, a 6th grader at Roosevelt Middle School, was thinking about joining the middle school track team. She read that Olympic athletes have lower resting heart rates than most people. She wondered about her own heart rate and how it would compare to other students. Mayer was interested in investigating the statistical question: what are the heart rates of students in my 6th grade class? Heart rates are expressed as beats per minute or BPM. Maya knew her resting heart rate was 80 beats per minute. She asked her teacher if she could collect the heart rates of the other students, and so below you will see the heart rate that she collected. Now, here are the sample heart rate that May collected. And so to learn about the heart rates, a good place to start is to make a graph of the data. There are several different types of graphs that could be used in dot plots, histograms, and box plots. This lesson will cover dot plots. So may notice that there were many different heart rates. She decided to make a dot plot to show the different heart rates. So we are going to help May construct a dot plot of her classmates' heart rate by drawing a number line. So let us draw a number line. We know how a number line is drawn. So we will draw a number line. All right, so let me select the pencil tool there, and then I'm going to draw a number line. So I draw a number line, not very straight, there, okay, but a number line nevertheless. All right, so, all right. And if I start numbering at 78, so, I can put different things in, different things in, different things in, different things in. All right, so if this is 78, all right, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. All right, let us put a number right here. We can go all the way up to 92, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, all right, 90. So yeah, probably could be 90. All right, 91, 92. So on this plot, if I look, I see 89. So 89 is right here. So that would be one dot there. Then 87, another dot right here. Then 85, another dot right here. 84 right here. 90 right here. 79 right here. 83 right here. 85. All right, so because we have one there, we're going to put one on top of that one, because we have another 85, and then 86 right there, 88 right there. 84, we put the 1 on top there. 81, 1 right there. 88, we put 1 on top right there. 85, all right, so 1 on top right there. 83, 1 on top right there. 83 again, so put another 1 there. 86, 1 right there. 82, all right, 82 right there, and 84. All right, so now once we have done that, then we can, so I want you to make sure that you follow this and to draw it by on your own in completing that. Then we will now move forward to I would like for you now to answer these questions, exercise 1 through 10. All right.